Hey guys, so today we're installing a new garage door here in Toronto and we're pretty excited about it. So as you can see, we've got a new garage door ready to be installed, all the equipment that we need, and we're ready to get started. So we're starting off by removing the old garage door system. Here, we're unwinding the spring to release the tension from the door. Next, we want to remove all the hinges and brackets so that we can remove the panels. The panels are slowly being removed one by one, and we're putting them aside so that we can dispose of them later on. The old spring bar is coming off together with the drums and the cables, and we're finally also taking out the tracks to make room for the new ones. Okay, so the old garage door system is now completely gone and we're ready to bring in the new door. Here you can see us starting to set up the bottom panel with bottom seal. This is important to protect your home from the changing weather, to protect the surface of your garage floor, and fill any gaps that you may have on it. We take off the film that keeps the panels clean and free of scratches. Okay, so the bottom panel is ready and we use it to put the new tracks in place. As we stack the garage door panels one on top of the other, we tighten the vertical tracks and install the horizontal ones. Check this out! But we're not done yet. Now we wind the new torsion springs. So since this door is 7 feet tall, we will go with 30 quarter turns to set the right tension on them. Finally, we run a full check of the garage door system to make sure that it's operating perfectly. Like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our garage door projects.